Hi, I'm JB Artley. I'm the Chief of Command Information here at Offutt Air Force Base. Today I'm here with the guys from P.M.O Flood Recovery, and they are responsible for going around the flooded area down here on the southeastern portion of the base. They take 3 pictures a day, time-lapse type thing, to document the history of what's been going on out here. So I'm gonna follow them around today and find out what they've been doing, what they've seen, and how important, their job is. So let's get started, guys, and head on out.
Like on the right side of the building, there are 2 on that corner. We're gonna get those first.
Altogether, these airmen monitor 8 cameras aimed at the construction site. Changing out the memory cards can be as easy as standing on the back of a truck bed, while getting to others can be a bit of a climb.
I think it might be that latch right there, that's by your head.
Senior Airman Jason Seeley thinks it's really cool to be part of capturing history for future generations.
There are multiple uses for taking these pictures. Of course, there's kind of keeping track of everything that's going on, making sure we're monitoring the site. But yeah, a historical record. It's really neat to be a part of that.
And they've already experienced members of Team Offutt being nostalgic while looking at their photos.
When I'm uploading photos, we're reviewing photos of the demolition, say, of like the 55th Wing Headquarters building. It wasn't uncommon for an officer in the office, a major or a lieutenant colonel in the office, to pass by and see our photo and stop and look at it and be like, oh, hey, that was my office right there.
Although having these photos to look back at history is cool, there's another reason why these airmen have been given this task.
Well, the photographs provide commanders at all levels an oversight of the progress of the contractor's work. So they give them an idea of how things have progressed and how far things need to still go.
And because they know how important these cameras are, they sometimes have to get creative.
It looked like one of the construction vehicles was kind of blocking the field of view of the camera, like the left-hand side was a little obscured. So what I did was I just took my personal phone, snapped some pictures, snapped some video.
So that's the update that we have for October of 2022. Thanks, guys, for letting me go around with you to see what you guys actually do, preserving history. It was a really cool thing to see. Just be on the lookout for our next video coming up in the next few months. And that's pretty much it. As the contractors build back Offutt, it's the base that we need, not the base that we had. I'm JB Artley for the 55th Wing Public Affairs, where the sun never sets on the fighting 55th.